Okay, so in this video I'm going to tell you how you can fix the issue wherein what happens is specflow before hook scenario runs multiple times, and if you are running Selenium tests, the web driver or the Chrome browser opens multiple times. So reason why this happens is because mostly what you are trying to do is you're trying to have some base class. For example, here I have got common steps, so this is my base class, and there are some other steps classes or bindings that are inheriting that common steps, so it's like a base class for me. And what I was doing is that the before and after hooks were put into the base class, that is common steps. Now I have removed, but before that all the hooks were, these hooks before scenario after scenario hooks were in the common steps or the base class, and that's why that error was coming. So what I did is that I created this hooks class and put this run before scenario and run after scenario, these hooks, in that particular class. And so basically what I've done is that these hooks have been removed from the base class, which is a common steps class, and I have put it into the different class. That's it. That is the only thing that I have done, and the error is gone. Now the browser is opening just once. I hope you understand this. Let me explain to you just once again. So very simple solution for this problem. If you have put these hooks in your base class, in my case it is common steps class, remove those methods hooks from the base class and put it in the separate file. That's it. And just to explain you how I have structured this step classes is that I go to this common steps. This is my base class, and I have got this context, inner context, and web driver, these fields here, which will be inherited by all the steps classes. So for example, there is this one steps and two steps, these classes are there, both will inherit these common steps, and hooks as well, that will inherit from common steps. So in here in this steps class, as you can see, I'm inheriting common steps, and this context object is actually in the base class, which I need to get access to the context information. For example, if I put something into the context, for example, if here I'm putting travel data, so it is in this particular file or the class specflow feature one steps, and once I put it in the context, what I can do is I can go to the other steps class and get it from that context, like this context travel data, and then just cast it to the travel data, and then you can get whatever values. So basically the purpose of context is that you can share the any objects among these binding classes, and you can put hooks, as I said, in different independent file, and also you will have to inherit this base class or the common steps class, because with the help of that class you will get access to the context. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.